All right, in this video, we're going to look at how to add a new expense type. Expense types show up in the expense report in each section. Some of them will have a drop-down. You can see here. And the expense type is a rule, which means we can add to this list and change the things that are in it from the rules screen. For this particular example, I'm going to add a new expense type to my list miscellaneous section. To do that, I'm going to go to the rule maintenance screen, and I can do that within the web. I can also do that on the desktop, either one. If I go to page settings, down here under application setup, go to rules maintenance, and then from there we're going to select our expense types. Right there, expense types rule. Now you can see what's available in the list right now. The miscellaneous show up as an other type. You can see here the options that were listed in my dropdown: parking, bill to client, auto-related, and cell phone reimbursement. I'm going to add a new option, so I click the new button. The code just needs to be unique. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to stay consistent here. You can see my miscellaneous or other types here. I'll start with O. So I'm going to do O4. My description here, whatever we're adding. I'm going to do internet services. The item code is only applicable if you are going to bill this back to a client. If not, you can actually leave this blank. The type is other, and the GL account would be if it's reimbursable, the account that will be debited in accounts payable when we submit this expense report and it gets approved. I'm just going to copy one option here from my list. And the order tells it which order it shows up in the list. So you can see here, the cell phone reimbursement shows up first, and then auto-related, and then parking. I'm going to make this number 4. If you wanted to rearrange those, you just edit each one and change the order. Go ahead and save this. It'll now show up in my list as the page refreshes. You can see here, 04, Internet Services. It's in the other group. Let's go ahead and close these tabs. We go back to our expense report and just reload this page. And now in the miscellaneous section, you can see that we have an internet services option. And that's all. To add new expense types, simply set them up in the expense types rule.